Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Today, we're heading over to Wheels and Watches with my parents, and apparently it's a Panerai event. My dad's a huge watch fan, so he brought his Panerai out and we're gonna just check out the event and see what's going on. But apparently, they have a recommendation to not wear a smartwatch, so I'm gonna take this off. But let's get going. There he is, we're ready. Hey guys. Hey, what's up, Dad?
Hey.
Yeah, welcome back.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom. Oh, nice glasses. Hey, Dad, wrist check.
All right.
Oh, he's ready for the Panerai event. Okay, let's go check it out. Alrighty, y'all, we made it. Here we are. Ooh, there's that Mercy from earlier, the yellow Mercy that we saw with the Insta360. We're here, let's go check out some Porsches. Are you ready, Nelly? She's so ready. And I'm ready. Are you ready, Jen?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, CHRs look good. Nelly, thanks for the nose art. Ooh, Targa. Oh, that's so nice. I love Targa 991s. Hey, Mommy. Got some food from the Philippines for you.
Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy. Oh, look at that. Reunited. Reunited after a week.
How are you?
Oh. Nelly, did you miss Grandpa? Little three-wheel.
Is that your Targa? Yeah. Nice. I like it.
Got the food truck. Oh, I love Targas. Hey guys. How are the new wheels treating you, Dad?
Oh, I like it.
Yeah, you like them a lot? Oh, you killed some bugs on the way here, huh? Alrighty, y'all, we're parked. We're gonna go take a quick walk. You guys found the food. Where's it at? Ooh. Okay, you want to grab something to eat? Okay. Oh, good to see ya. What's up, Alex?
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Hey, good, man. I like your shirt.
Yeah. Guess where I got it from?
Some guy named Francis, right?
How did you know?
Thanks so much for wearing it, Alex, for always representing.
Oh, I love the shirt. I love the comments it gets with it, too.
Oh, fits you well. Oh, not bad. Not bad. 239. All right, we can't do a St. Patty's Day vlog without St. Patty's Day cars. Oof. Nice STOs. All right, so you came prepared to the event today. Check this out, guys. Ooh, handmade Porsche shirt. Oh, that's so cool. Cheers. Hey, what you win? Oh, nice. Oh, that's your winning ticket, Mom?
I always win.
Thank you.
Hey, Mom, you won again, huh?
Yes.
Forever winning.
First story.
Yeah, first drawing, she won. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, that's cool. Porsche notebook?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, that's cool. Oh, whoa, that's cool. Wow, can I see this? Whoa. Oh, look at that. That's cool. What else? Oh, you got two. Nice. So you can, you guys can cheers.
Yes.
Nice.
And then there's another one. I don't know what's this.
Key ring. Key ring.
And
Nice. Oh, they sold the Panerai you wanted?
no, I didn't see that.
We ended up at Tesla here in Santana Row. They got the Cybertruck in white. They got my mom in the white. What do you think, Mom?
I think I can handle it.
You think you can drive this?
Yes.
Oh, this looks good on you. Let's check it out.
The height.
Oh, the height's right? Yeah, it's a good height for you.
You want one? It's pretty cool.
Yeah. What'd you think, Mom?
Yeah, we can try.
Yeah, you can lease one, Dad was saying.
Yeah, so I can go out to safely.
Yeah, you can get around. You can go to your appointments. New car.
Nice.